Hello and welcome back, guys. Now we have our Linux command, as you can see right here. It's ready for use, but to use it, we need to have a Linux VPS, okay? This will help to solve the problem with Facebook, where the images aren't changing. I'm using silvershape.net because I found them cheaper and also they are fine. You can use many websites on the same VPS. Okay, you can create many commands. If you have like 5 websites, you can create 5 commands and run it. I have tried 10 already on one VPS and it's working fine. I don't know how much are the limits, okay, but I have tried 10 and it's working fine. So let's get a VPS. We click. We will use the cheaper one, okay, $3 per month. Let's choose this OpenVZ, okay, VPS. And we select this one, the $3 per month. It's really important to make sure that you are using the CentOS as an operating system, okay? Make sure it's CentOS 6 and not something else. Then click continue. Okay, I have two, I will delete one, sorry. Now click checkout and for the information. Okay, let me fill the information right here, and I will use this one. Okay. Okay, let's choose the phone number. And try to use a password right here. And check PayPal, okay? As I have said before, and I'm saying it again, always use PayPal as a payment, okay? Now click complete order. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's try again. Now try to click check out to avoid the PayPal subscription. Well, it's asking for the subscription. If you don't have your credit card linked with your PayPal, you can't make such payment. Okay, that's why I will just go back. I will go back to home. I will try to click this invoice right here and click pay now. Doing that, I will avoid having the subscription. I will click make payment. Okay. And right here we can click pay now. select PayPal and click the check out, not the subscribe. Okay. Let's log in into our PayPal account. And click Pay Now. Now click Return to the merchant. So now your order is completed. Go back to your Gmail account and you will find an email from Servership. You see who your server is ready, that one. Okay, now go back to your Servership dashboard and click Continue to Client Area. You will see that you have one service. Let's click it right here. And this is your VPS, okay? Now, to log into your VPS, you need a software called PuTTY. Okay, you need a software called PuTTY. You need to download it. Just go to Google, search for PuTTY, then download it. Okay, click here. You will have two versions. Okay, if you are using Windows, you will have two versions, and try to download and install the one is working for your computer. Okay, I have it already, so I will just open it right here. Delete this one. Okay, you will get the PuTTY configuration, and now we need to enter our VPS IP. Let's copy the VPS and paste it right here, then click open. After that you need to click yes and try to type root and click enter. Then you need to enter your password. The password is this one. Click here to show it, then double click to select it and click copy. Okay, now go back to your PuTTY and click right here. You need to paste your password. To do that on PuTTY, you just need to click the right button on your mouse. Now it's pasted, but you cannot see it. Just click enter. And you are in. Now we need to copy the command. Okay, this one. And we need to paste it. Once again, you need to click the right button to paste it. Now just hit enter. And you are done. Okay. Just click close and click OK. Now the comment is running, and if you go back here and try to comment, okay, as you can see, it's changing already. Let's try again. You see, it's changing. Now we have fixed the problem with Facebook. So we are already done. Okay, we have our game, we have our Facebook game. Now we just need to promote and share our game with people so they can play it. The more people who play it, the more money you will earn. See you on the next video.